Hi, my name is Michelle, and this is my final video for the core activity for my chemistry class. First of all, what I learned in this project were a huge amount of things, from how to analyze an electricity invoice to the new ways to get a better and more ecological type of energy, which is the natural form of it, solar. On the first phase, we analyzed the domestic electricity and the consumption of it in Mexico. It was really interesting. We also understood the importance of knowing how to read and interpret the electricity invoices, among many other things. Every member of the team got their last electricity invoices and observed how much a person spent, how much kWm a house had, and the yearly consumption of domestic electricity per student. Now, on our second stage, we opened our minds to getting to know a little bit more about a natural source of light. As mentioned before, it's sunlight. We described it, found the advantages and disadvantages of using it, and compared it to fossil fuels. We investigated the requirements needed for installing solar panels, the conditions that a house had to be in, and the additional equipment that might be necessary. From it, we were able to determine that yes, it is better to use solar panels, and they can be installed either on rooftops or on the ground, but it should count with some specific requirements. We found out that Monterey's highest solar irradiance per month was for August, since it had 183.626 kWm per month. And after, we compared it to other cities around the world. Finally, we realized that by using solar panels for our homes, it is not really hard at all. It is actually getting more and more common throughout the years. By doing this, you minimize the ecological footprint and you help your environment and the world. I would really like to share that I learned a lot in this project. I enjoyed the process doing it with my teammates and by myself. The investigations that I had to do, because it was not an easy investigation. We had to search for a ton of things on the internet, and the cost for solar panels and the conditions on the roof had to be, and well, for this stage. For last stage, it was really interesting as well. Both of them were really interesting, actually. Finally, to wrap this up, I would like to share to you that my knowledge for this topic was really small. And by doing this core activity, I realized how much impact we humans can have on the world, either for good or for bad. Just one small action makes a difference. It doesn't matter how small or how big it is, it will make a difference. And now, I know that if we cannot afford solar panels in our homes, we might as well turn off lights when we're not using them. That way we can help the electricity not be as expensive and as damaging for the world as it is now. Thank you.